Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. You may hear it in my voice. I am kind of sick today. Not kind of, I am sick today. Whether it's influenza B or A or what, that's the culprit. After I make this video and post it and whatnot, I'm going to run to the store and get some tests. I'm going to lower the volume of the music just so I can be heard. I don't know if y'all can hear me well with the music up like that, so I'm just gonna turn it down a bit. All right. Without further ado, let's dive in. Oh, and apologies for not posting yesterday, but obviously sick. The whole family is. 2 kids, partner and 2 kids. It sucks, man. But yeah, whatever. Let's get into it. All right. So we were looking at this bull flag within. Excuse me. We were looking at this bull flag within this bear flag yesterday. Well, 2 days ago. And yesterday I started adjusting it before my partner called and was telling me that she needed me to come back in. So let's just adjust the bull flag again, okay? Let's adjust to there. And this gets adjusted to there. And then the breakout point, we'll take a conservative estimate from the bottom, and we'll see a 105 breakout, which would invalidate the bear flag here, bringing price back up over 104, hopefully flipping 104 back to support. But you will notice, excuse me, you will notice that on all the time frames, 99.6 has been lost as support, which is a bearish sign. Again, if this bear flag does play out like we talked about a couple days ago, it's going to play out down to about 86.5. Now 86.5, that would invalidate the bull flag here on the 6-hour chart. Very much so. In fact, if we lose 94 as support here on the 6-hour chart, I would call that flag invalidated. Excuse me. This bear flag within a bull flag, with a bull flag within the bear flag. It's funny. But yeah, how much further down could we see happening? Well, we are seeing the Stokes on the 90-minute chart moving down fast, along with the RSI. We want to see a higher low coming in on the RSI, following this higher high that just came in. That would be a good sign that the uptrend is coming on this lower time frame, and that bull flag could play out. But if we lose that 618, more importantly, that 94 level, that 786, that 94 level there, well, then this bull flag is out of the question. This bull flag's out of the question. We got to start adjusting this bigger one here on the daily. Daily Stokes are in overbought territory, suggesting that they should start coming back up soon, but that's not guaranteed. As we know, they can get stuck here. The RSI is showing bullish confluence slightly, with slightly higher lows here on the RSI and higher lows here on the price. So let's see if that confluence can play out for us. On the 6-hour chart, the stochastics are pointing upwards over their signal line, but they are, if the 90-minute ones, Stokes can't find their way down to oversold and turn around before the end of this 6-hour period. The 6-hour candle has 2 hours left, just about. 90-minute has about 48 minutes left. Let's see if perhaps the stochastics RSI can get down into the oversold territory and start turning back up before we see another lower high here, and before we see the close of this candle here, because then it could start oscillating back up here on the 90 and drive this stochastics to go up as well, and the RSI to put in a higher high. Currently, they're putting in a possible lower high though, which confluates bearishly with the price. We kind of have like a symmetrical triangle here. They're 50-50 patterns technically, but they usually tend to break out. And the triangle, you measure move from the top to the bottom of the triangle. You don't do the whole thing. I mean, we could go up there, because, I mean, there's another higher low. So if we go up there, that's the move down to 86.5 like we were talking about. If we measure from just the triangle, well, then we're looking at around 89, just under that support, that 89.8 support level. So let's see which move happens. Hopefully the bulls can just take control, but maybe not. Oh, I forgot. Let me bring back that. Yeah, if it moves to the upside, if the bulls get their way, then that would bring it right back.